Okay, now that we've watched the copyright and fair use of animation, we're going to build our Weebly page. Go ahead and click on Weebly. It should take you to a login page, which you will use the red Google login button. If you've never made a Weebly page before, you should get a screen like this right away, and it's going to ask you if you want to sell online. Not now. We're just using this for school. So you click Not Now, and it'll take you to your theme. If you have had a Weebly class before and you need to create a new one, you should see something along those lines. Go ahead and click the down arrow and click Add a Site. It will ask you the same question. Do you want to sell online? Not now. Once you get there, you're going to select a theme. Just choose one that looks aesthetically pleasing to you. I like the text and I like how the menu is laid out here. When you click your theme, it's going to let you review it and say Start Editing. Shows you that you drag and drop your tiles in order to add items to your web page. When you get to your first set, you're going to choose your domain, so give it a name. Which gives you the green arrow. It means the site is available and you can click continue. Just make sure you're using the subdomain. What we are going to start in first is deleting pages that we're not going to use. So let's delete these pages. Click on pages, click the page you want to delete, and then click delete. Do that for all these pages because we are wanting to start from scratch. So delete, delete, delete. Last page, and it won't let you delete the last page, but I want us to start from scratch. So I'm going to add a new page, call it home, and click done. And now I can delete that last page that was a template for me. My home page is now pretty much blank. I don't have to delete a ton of extra things. I can just edit it to make it work for me. So click on the image and click Edit Background. I'm going to replace this image, and so I'm going to either choose something from my computer or search a URL, but here is a place where you can search for images. I'm going to search for clouds. And I'm going to make sure I click free photos because otherwise I'd have to pay for a professional photo. And these are good to use under the free use Creative Commons. I like, let's say, the top part of this image. So I want to zoom in a bit. So I'm going to go into my zoom button and zoom in so it's focusing on the clouds. I like that. I'm going to go click save. It's a little long and large, so I'm going to come and drag it up a bit so it's not such a gigantic title. And I'm going to use my initials because other people will potentially see this if they have your URL. So we want to make sure that we just keep our full names out of it. All right, so JN's project page. All right, so I'm in pages right now. I can add more pages at a later time if I want, but I'm now going to go back to build. And on my home page, I am going to right now put a button, and I can place it wherever I want for the time being. I can always go back and edit. And this button is going to take me to the app that I made in code.org. So to do this, I'm going to click on the button and change the text. I'm going to call it my practice app. If it goes away, just go ahead and click on it again. All right, practice app. Go back. And now I need the link to my practice app. So let's open up our Code Studio. And we are going to click the share button on our finished app. And here's a link that we're going to copy. So click the link, click Control-C on the keyboard to copy it. Go back to your Weebly page, click the link, and it's a website URL. We are going to paste the website URL with Control-V, and everything should be good to go now. So let's give this a shot. When it comes to working in Weebly, it saves everything as you go. But if you want someone else to be able to view what you have done to your Weebly page, every time you make an edit, you'll have to click publish for the people, for whoever is you want to show to be able to view it. If you don't click publish, it will save your work, but it won't be viewable to those that have your link. They'll see what you've last published. I'm going to click publish. And the first time you click publish, it's going to bring this up for you. And yep, that's the URL I posted in there. I'm going to continue with that URL. And here it is. So my website's published. I'm going to click on this blue link to take me to my actual page. And this is what everyone would see when they come to my page. This is my URL I'm going to need in just a little bit. And this is my practice app that we just connected from code.org. Let's see if it works. I'm going to click it. It's going to take me to my practice app. And now I can play and see that it all works. It's all good to go. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and continue on with the next step for this project.